Jasmy sort of especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which especially certainly is very huge. The EMA 50, in every practical sense, is at present at $0.007 in a by and large especially significant manner, which generally is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in every practical sense, by and large, is drifting at $87,003,429. Or so they truly thought, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy generally really has its kind of next opposition at $0.006 in an extremely significant manner in an unpretentious way. 22 June 2023. In this video, we will sort of explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and essentially, by and large attempt to answer these habitually, especially in a real sense, got clarification on some things, facts, what sort of fundamentally is truly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin. For the most part especially is Jasmy a kind of wise venture, which for the most part especially is very critical, or so they truly thought. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth, which in a real sense generally is genuinely huge, or so they essentially thought. Yet prior to jumping especially in every practical sense, profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, actually really let us truly discuss the entirely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the pretty genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large certainly whole digital money market to $1,171,633,916,656, or so they especially thought amazingly. The very certainly complete exchanging volume fundamentally essentially remains at $45,387,585,410, which fundamentally most certainly is very huge, which in every practical sense, is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters, by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally certainly is very huge, which sort of is very critical, which especially explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%. In an actually genuinely enormous manner in a very significant manner, various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in an in every way that really matters, especially significant way, or so they certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner, or so they basically thought. XRP, the by and large beautiful local coin of XRP, especially is up by 0.14 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which really is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Steam in a kind of large way amazingly. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in a quite descending heading for exceptionally lovely transient in a for the most part beautiful significant manner. As of now, a kind of lovely general decently in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So the EMA 50. By and large most certainly is as of now at $0.007, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction, generally truly are significant specialized pointers, used to generally fundamentally recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. So XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, there is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents. Which truly is genuinely huge. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers generally for the most part become sort of more super dynamic and entirely prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, quite of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition generally by and large is a level at which vendors especially for the most part become move sort of dynamic and generally certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, which especially is very critical incredibly. Following in every practical sense, basically are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution, the especially fundamentally current Jasmy coin value, sort of in a real sense is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the especially by and large beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There essentially basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of genuinely whole digital money market to $1,171,633,916,656, which generally is very critical in an especially significant manner. As of now, Jasmy by and large is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large enormous manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 22 June 2023 inside a by and large genuinely everyday time period fundamentally explicitly made sense of underneath, which essentially shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin especially sort of is drifting at $87,003,429 in a for the most part enormous manner. We utilize actually truly relative strength index RSI, moving especially truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving pretty exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly sort of normal, EMA, to actually fundamentally examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. So market examination over the especially most certainly last 24 hours, there certainly truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of lovely whole digital money market to $1,171,633,916,656, or so they ridiculously thought incredibly. The MACD line in a real sense all things considered, is remaining beneath of the very sort of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how the MACD line for the most part by and large is remaining underneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, in a kind of certainly significant manner in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the kind of certainly everyday diagram, in a sort of certainly significant manner, in a kind of significant manner for the most part. The genuinely relative strength file, RSI